differentiate value of fx, that is given as 1 by x, and here it is given that 1 by root over 1 minus x square. Now if I want to find the value of fx, I will write as integration of 1 by x plus integration of 1 upon root over 1 minus x square dx, and here dx is also written. That can be written as log of x plus sine inverse of x plus of c. So fx is equal to log of x plus sine inverse x plus c, that is given. Now if I put instead of x that is equal to 1, you will get the value as log of 1 plus sine inverse of 1 plus of c, and that is equal to pi by 2. So log 1 we will write as equal to 0, sine inverse 1 that is equal to pi by 2 plus of c that is equal to pi by 2. Pi by 2 and pi by 2 will get cancelled, c is equal to 0, that you will get.